Hello, my name is Spencer, and I'm going to show you how to download assignment 1 and unzip it and just run everything, make sure everything's working. So first, I'll go to my submission here. I have one submission, and you just want to click that, and then it'll show up, in whatever folder that you want it to be in. So I already have it here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the zip file, and then I'm going to press extract all, and then again just put it in the folder that you want it to go in. So we extract that, and then we go back, and it'll be in this folder right here. So we go there, again go into this folder, and this is where you have all the files you need. These are all the source files. I'm going to explain the code in here, so I'm just going to open all these up at the same time. Just give it 1 second. Okay, so here we have all our files. Now I'm going to, well, first of all, I'm just going to say that I'm the only person in my group, so I did all of the work here. All the code that I implemented was done by me. So here we have binary search high. Basically what this method does is, each element has an ID number, so it takes that number and it tries to find the index of that number and insert it into the list, but keep it sorted at the same time. So here, let's say you have some, value where we say in compare. If it's less than 0, we can assume the first half of the list is greater than the element we're looking for, so we look towards the right half of the list. And then same thing, if compare is greater than 0, then we look towards the left half of the list. And then basically we're just moving around the middle element until, we find where we can insert this element, and then we'll return the index that's inserted at. And then if we don't find it, it'll return a negative value. And then what binary search low does, it's, same logic as binary search high, but we are looking for duplicates or multiple occurrences of a certain element. So you see that, same logic here when you're comparing, and then you'll see when I run the test what the results show. But also we go into the class adapter here, and what this is just doing here is just implementing the sorted set interface into sorted list. In sorted list we have add, public void add. We have that here, we use override, so we implemented a sorted set interface. Oh, sorry, I meant to show this right there. So we have that. And then we have object adapter, and this just adapts a sorted list interface into a sorted set interface. So all of the methods that are shown here are from here. And it's pretty simple. You just have all these, just returning the variable names here. And then if we want to run it, we'll start up a terminal. Just wait for this to load up for a second. And then we're going to go to my directory. Okay, so here it shows we have everything here. Actually, I'm going to go one directory back so I can compile it. So we're going to do Java assignment 1 / Java. Okay, so we have that compiled, and now I'm going to run, first we're going to do the tester. And this will show you the expected output right here. This is for high binary search. This is for low binary search. And when I run this, it should, produce the same thing. So we're going to do Java assignment 1 dot tester. And here you go. You can see that it has the same exact output here for high and low. And basically, like I said before, the high binary search, it takes the ID number and it'll tell you which element or index, it'll tell you which index the element was inserted at, and if it's negative, that means they couldn't find an index to put it in. And same thing here with low. If you find a duplicate of this element, it'll tell you which index the duplicate is at, and if it's negative, that means they couldn't find it. So that's it for tester. We'll clear that, and then what driver does is just checks to see if class adapter and object adapter are working. It'll just return true or false statements or values. So we do Java assignment 1 dot driver, and that just returns true statements. So that shows that class adapter and object adapter are working and everything is all good. So that's my presentation. Thank you for watching, and